Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start the current affairs in English of 16th September 2022. So first of all we will start the national current affairs news. In the national current affairs news, the Indore became the country's first smart city with the smart address. Now the Indore will be creating a fully digital addressing system, and it will become the first city which introduces the smart address system. For this, the MOU is signed with the firm Patta Navigations. So MOU is signed between the Patta Navigation with the CEO of Indore Smart City. Next is the Koo. It is the microblogging platform. It is the Indian microblogging platform. Koo has tie-up with the IPPB, means Indian Post Payment Bank. Indian Post Payment Bank, mainly to drive the financial inclusion in the remote city. Koo is the Indian multilingual platform that allows the user to communicate in 10 different languages, and it has partnership with the IPPB, means Indian Post Payment Bank. Indian Post Payment Bank was founded in 1st September 2018, and it will come under the Department of Post under Ministry of Communication. Indian Post Payment Bank headquarters is in New Delhi, and Indian Post Payment Bank MD and CEO is the J. Venkat Ramu, and the tagline of Indian Post Payment Bank is the Aapka Bank Aapke Dwar. Next is the Canara HSBC Life Insurance has launched the iSelect Guaranteed Future Plan, and the iSelect is an individual, it is a non-linked, non-participating saving and protection life insurance plan. So Canara HSBC Life Insurance has launched iSelect Guaranteed Future Plan. Next is the Axis Bank and Square Yards. Both have launched co-branded home buyer ecosystem. This is named as the Open Doors. Open Doors is the co-branded home buyers ecosystem that is launched by the Axis Bank and Square Yards. Next is the SBI Bank has hit the market value of 5 trillion rupee share price for the first time after its share reaches the value of 564.85 rupee in the intraday trade on Bombay Stock Exchange. SBI chairman is the Dinesh Kumar Khara. HDFC Bank chairman is the Deepak Parekh. ICICI Bank chairman is the Girish Chandra Chaturvedi. HDFC Bank CEO is the Sasidhar Jagdishan. ICICI Bank CEO is the Sandeep Bakshi. Next is the India launches urban wastewater scenario in India at the World Water Congress and Exhibition 2022. So India has launched the joint white paper on urban wastewater scenario in India with the Denmark at the World Water Congress and Exhibition in the Copenhagen. Next is the India's plastic project listed by EKI Energy Services Limited. So EKI Energy Services, it is a developer and seller of carbon credits, has announced that it is the first company to list an Indian plastic project under a global accreditation standard. CMD and CEO of EKI Energy Services is the Manish Davkara. Next is the HDFC Life Insurance Policy started the Click to Project for super term insurance. So HDFC Life Insurance has started a new insurance term that is known as Click to Project. It is the non-linked, non-participating individual pure risk premium life insurance plan. Next is the world largest museum of Harappan culture is coming up in the Rakhi Garhi, which is located in Haryana. The Rakhi Garhi is the Indus Valley civilization sites. So the world largest museum of Harappan culture that is going to establish in the Rakhi Garhi, and Rakhi Garhi is the ancient Indus Valley civilization sites. Next is the India becomes the power surplus nation. So these steps have increased the power availability up to 22 hours in rural areas and 23.5 hours in the urban areas. Next is the wholesale inflation becomes 11th month low at 12.4% in the August, and the core wholesale price index has dipped to a 17-month low of 7.9% in the August. Next, we shall discuss about the international news. So, the Google has acquired a new company which is related to cyber security, that is known as the Mandiant. So, Google has acquired a new cyber security company that is named as Mandiant. CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. Google Cloud CEO is the Thomas Kurian. Accenture Security Global Lead is the Paolo Delchin. Next is the book launched. We will discuss about some new book launch. So the name of book is the Rajneesh Mantra, written by the PC Bala Subramaniam. So PC Bala Subramaniam has written a new book that is known as the Rajni Mantra, Life and Lessons from India's Most Loved Superstar, and it is written in the English language. Next, the important day celebrated. So, World Lymphoma Awareness Day has been celebrated on 15th of September, and it is celebrated every year. And this day is dedicated to raising awareness of lymphoma, an increasingly common form of cancer. Lymphoma is an increasingly common form of cancer. It is a global initiative hosted by the Lymphoma Coalition, and this day creates the awareness about the lymphoma disease, particularly the emotional and psychological challenges that the patient face and caregivers suffering from different forms of lymphoma. Next is the International Day of Democracy. It is celebrated on 15th September every year, and this year marks the 15th anniversary of International Day of Democracy, and it is mainly celebrated to strengthen the democracy and highlight the value of democracy and principles. Next is the theme of International Day of Democracy 2022 is the importance of media freedom to democracy, peace and delivering on the sustainable development goals. This is the theme of International Day of Democracy 2022. Next is the National Engineers Day. It is celebrated every year on 15th of September, and it is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Visvesvaraya, and this day recognizes the contribution of engineers in the development of the nation, and this day commemorates the birth anniversary of the Sir Moksha Gundam Visvesvaraya, who is considered as the one of the greatest engineers in India. And now, along with India, Sri Lanka and Tanzania has also celebrated the Engineers Day on 15th September. Next, we shall discuss about the appointment related news. So, Sanjay Kumar Rakesh has been named as the Managing Director of CSC E-Governance SPV. So, Sanjay Kumar Rakesh has been named as the Managing Director of CSC E-Governance India SPV. Next, we shall discuss about the sports related news. So, Vinesh Fogart has won the bronze in the World Wrestling Championship, and she became the first Indian women wrestler to win the 2 medals at the World Championship, and she also becomes the first Indian to win a gold medal at both the games, that is in Commonwealth game also or in Asian Games also. Next is the Virat Kohli becomes the first cricketer to have 50 million followers on the Twitter. Twitter is the social networking sites. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video.